Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shan's Night and I am back with another video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved these beautiful butterfly locks. I did it in the bob shoulder length and I am loving it, and I just want to share with you guys it was my first time ever trying this, and I'm telling you guys that I love it and it wasn't bad after all. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved the look. I'm going to be showing you the brand here that I use, all the items that I use to achieve the look. There are many ways that you could do. There are many different methods that you could use to achieve the look, but I'm going to be showing you guys the one that I use. If you guys are interested in knowing how to do your own butterfly locks, just stick around. So I started out with freshly washed hair. As you can see, I'm blow drying my hair because you don't want to be wearing braids with your hair all dirty and all clogged up and all of that. So as you can see, I also went and put some braids in my hair because my hair is very short and I wanted all the braids to be on one length. So I add some braids to my hair. It doesn't have to be neat and all of that, but you just want to ensure that you place them in properly and all that. As you can see, my parting is not straight, but what I did, I did a center part, and then I did half, and then I did the next half after. So that's what I'm doing. I'm ensuring that I catch all the hair, leave out any baby hair and all of that. So that's what's happening. As I said, the braids don't have to be neat. These are some braids that I had left over from doing some knotless braid on myself. So it doesn't have to be a new pack of braids or anything. You can just use braids that you have or any hair that you have, just to have all the hair on one length. That's for me. Some persons do it without adding braids, but because I want all of it to be on one length, I went ahead and had some braids to it. So it's not a must, but if you want, you can do this as well. The items that you will need for this, you will need your hair, you will need your crochet needle, and you will also need like a wax thing, like something to keep the hair. So you can use your shine jam and all of that. So as you can see, I finished using that. So the hair that I will be using is the Lulu Tress, and I'm using the one that comes with the 3 bundle and one with the single bundle. So that's what I use: 1 pack of the 3 bundle and 1 pack of the single bundle. I ran out of hair and I had to go ahead and use some passion twist that I had left over from passion twisting my mom hair. So I used the needle and I pushed the needle through each braid, or some person will say plait, but it's each braid. And then after pushing it through, you can't do it too bulky, so you can go 2 times where you put in each amount of air for each braid. So I did it 2 times because it wasn't coming through when I tried putting on all the hair on the needle. So after getting all of that hair in, I'm going to separate the hair in 2, but one side is going to be shorter than the other. The side that will be doing the wrapping will be longer than the next side. So you're going to use the next hair to cover. So you're going to be wrapping from the root. So you do 3 wrap at the root before continuing down, because you want to lock in that. So you don't want the hair to be loosened after wrapping it. So you wrap it 3 times and then you keep wrapping it coming down. For you to get the butterfly look or the ragged look, you're going to be wrapping the hair around your thumb. So you wrap it around your thumb about 2 times, then you pull out your thumb and then you continue wrapping. And then you want, and if you need another distress, you wrap it around your thumb again 3 times, pull out your thumb, and you keep on doing this until you're satisfied with your distress. So that's what I'm doing. I am wrapping the hair over my thumb for the distress, and you want to be wrapping it tightly, so okay, you don't want it to be frilled out or anything like that. So as you can see, my thumb, it's wrapped over my thumb, and then I will be pulling out my thumb. So that's all that it is to doing butterfly locks. I'm not a professional, I'm just trying to do this for the very first time on myself because I saw the style and I love it, so I decided that I want to try it. So nothing that I'm saying is gospel right now, but this is how I do it. Onto another one, wrapping the root 3 times, and after wrapping the root 3 times I will continue wrapping it down, putting on my distress, and till I'm finished, till I'm down to the end. When I'm down to the end, I will put my thumb at the end, wrap the hair going back up. That's basically it. Took me a while to get used to it and all of that, because as I said, it's my first time, so it took me a while to get a rhythm of what I'm doing. But after getting it, I was like breezing through it all together. So as you can see, when I reach down by the end, so you ensure that everything is on the same length. You put your thumb, finger, and you wrap it come back up. So you wrap it up, and that will seal it. Some persons put glue after wrapping it up. Some people put elastic band and all of that, but it's what you like or what you prefer. So I'm wrapping back the ear up. You guys can see I'm wrapping and I'm wrapping. There it is. I finished that one. So that's what I'll be doing, guys. That's the only thing I will be doing. So I sped up the video so that I won't take too long with this tutorial.
Skipping out, no, I can't keep score when I lose my breath. Boy, you got me. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me.
Guys, I feel letting you know that this tight, it tight. Like, I don't know if it's me who did it too tight, but it was very tight. As you can see, I'm adding my hair with my growth oil and all, but I'm loving it, and it's a bit like right there a bit guys, it's tight, like looking at it, it's tight, but for a couple of days I guess it will wear off, but it is tight bad, like tight bad. So I don't know if it's how I wrap it, or there is a technique to how you should wrap it or anything. You can comment down in the comment section if you know the technique and let me know, but it is tight bad. So I add a little mousse and everything, and then I was finished. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know I haven't been posting for a while, but I'm coming back so slowly but surely and things. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment, and let me know which video you'll want to see me do next. I have some videos coming, so you will be seeing them soon, so I'm working on those. But keep on sharing the videos, keep on subscribing to the channel. Until my next video, guys, bye.